Hi everyone, I'm Sean Palis with ProSymmetry, and today I'll show you how to identify portfolio risk using Tempus roadmaps. So from the Tempus homepage, we're going to browse to Roadmap Management. So I have one existing roadmap. We'll go ahead and launch that roadmap. This will bring up our roadmap. And when building roadmaps, you can choose how to lay out your various projects using any of your project level attributes, maybe portfolio, program, status, pipeline status, client, whatever it may be. And I'm seeing those listed here based on my preferences. Now from the roadmap, we select the roadmap options. There are two features that can help us call out portfolio risk. The first being over-allocation risk, and the second being concurrency risk. Now in this case, let's go ahead and enable over-allocation risk and select update. This will reload our roadmap, and you'll notice unique identifiers or indicators now displayed throughout our roadmap in cases where we've breached an over-allocation level. In this case, if we click on any one of these highlighted cells, you'll find the resources who are over-allocated beyond a threshold level that is configurable. And this helps tell us where we have risks based off of resource over-allocations from our roadmap. The second identifier we'll look at is concurrency risk. Now, concurrency risk tells us where do we have a risk as a result of resources being allocated across too many projects at any point in time. Again, this is configurable. The threshold is configurable. We'll select update, and that will now redraw our roadmap. You'll notice in this case, we have fewer concurrency related risks, but in any case, if I select these periods that are highlighted, this will now show me where I have risks to my portfolio based on resource assignment concurrency. And you can see those resources listed here. In this case, we have Irene West concurrently scheduled to 7 projects, the same for Mary Freeman, the same for Mary Thomas, and the same for Samuel Newman. So those are two options for identifying portfolio risk using Tempus roadmaps. If you'd like to learn more, you can find additional information, including videos and documentation on the Tempus support site, or contact us at prosymmetry.com.